What's up guys, welcome back for another video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to install a shower filter, and this is the brand for it. It's Aquabliss. So once you get the filter out, so first thing you want to do is run the filter underwater for 30 seconds. You want to take off the old shower head with adjustable wrench. Twist to the left. And then that's gonna come off. The filter is gonna have a filter screen. So you wanna put that on the top one here. And this is the part that's gonna get screwed on to the pipe that's coming up. On the bottom part here, you wanna put in your threads. And then you want to thread this part too. Go around a couple times. And then you want to screw in the filter. Hand tight should be good enough. And then the shower head, there's another screen, put it in there. Twist it in. And that's how you install a shower filter. Thank you for checking out my video and give me a thumbs up.